Imagine this, you've got $1 million idea, but instead of launching, you spend 2 years coding, burning through more than $200,000 on developers, and by the time you're ready, someone else already stole your market. Brutal, right? But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to launch in weeks, not years, and for a fraction of the cost? Well, that's what I'm about to tell you. If you are sleeping on this, you are leaving millions on the table. So, shall we get this started? You know, I have over 8 years of experience in the field of software development, and I have seen companies waste years building products nobody even wanted. They hired developers, burned through cash, run out of funding, and shut down before they even launched. And that's what kept me thinking, why are we still doing business like this? Then I found a solution, which is no code. And suddenly what took a year could be done in weeks. What cost more than $100,000 could now be built for under $10,000, and people started launching faster and making money sooner. Even big brands are using no-code. Ericsson, PepsiCo, you name it. Literally, they hired me to build no-code solutions for them. You know why? Because it's faster, cheaper, and just as powerful. And let me tell you about some of these platforms. First up, Bubble, which I admire the most, because if you want to build a SaaS marketplace or even the next big startup, this is your go-to. My clients are using Bubble to build businesses making more than $500,000 per year. Trust me, it is only growing. Next is Make.com and Zapier. Think of them as your 24/7 automation assistants. So you don't have to do any of the boring stuff like connecting apps, automating emails, handle payments, or manage onboarding processes. You can even connect it with Bubble easily. Then we have Airtable. It's insanely powerful for managing data, tracking clients, and running workflows. It is also known as Excel, but on steroids. Again, its integration with Bubble is amazing. And finally, Webflow. Well, if you want a high-end professional website that looks like it was built by a top-rated development team, but without touching a single line of code, this is your platform to go for. And let me tell you this, these are just a few I talked about. There are hundreds of no-code tools that let you build, automate, and scale without writing a single line of code. But here is the thing, no-code is not just about building fast, it's about testing fast. Most startups fail because they waste months building something nobody even wants. But with these tools, you can launch in weeks and get real customers before spending a fortune. And trust me, this is the smartest move you can ever take in 2025. And now, I know what you are thinking, but is no-code scalable? Well, listen. Platforms like Bubble are not just for simple apps anymore. They handle millions of users, complex logic, and real-time performance. Companies are running entire businesses on no-code, and it's only getting stronger day by day. But if you are still hesitated and have questions in your mind, book a call with me today using link in the description of this video, and let's clear all of your confusions. I will even show you the platforms that are doing crazy good right now, made just on Bubble, which is a no-code tool. Also, if you want to keep learning about no-code, automation, and AI, make sure to follow me on LinkedIn. I daily share real stories and real lessons which I learn each day from people who are working with us. I'll see you in the next one.